So the last time when I made a video on GSoC, I told you guys that I would be analyzing different organizations in multiple videos to prepare you for GSoC, and after that I didn't make any video. Why? Well, I have been busy. Okay, it's not an excuse, I know, but I promise you the videos are in way. Okay, I started with one organization and analyzing the code base, understanding the code base takes a lot of effort. Okay, and I imagined that it would be the case, but definitely it's tiring and frustrating. So the videos are on the way. I will be analyzing and understanding the code base before I make the video, so it will take some time, but I wanted to make this video and show you, tell you about some announcements that GSoC has made. Also, I have some things in mind regarding GSoC, so you can check the links in the timestamp in the description and skip to that part if you already know what the announcements are. Anyways, so GSoC, Google has announced their timeline. Okay, so organizations will be announced on March 10th, so we have time till March. Okay, so they will announce the organizations on March 10th, and we will have the application period for students will start from 29th March and will be till April 13th. Okay, so we have some time. Okay, so December, if we don't count November, December, January, February, okay, approx 4. Okay, let's count 3. Okay, 3 months we have. Okay, the other thing, they have reduced the project size. Okay, so I guess before it was 30 hours per week. Okay, and now it's approx 17.5 hours a week. Okay, so they have reduced the size of project. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, I don't know about the last year, I'm not sure. Okay, so also they have I think they have opened for other students like who are in school, I guess. Yeah, that's what they meant. Basically, if you are 18 years and older and you are enrolled to an institution, you can take part. Anyways, that was all. So one thing I wanna tell you guys that what I have planned in for this YouTube channel, and apart from the organization analyzing and understanding the code base videos, apart from that I have been contacting some of the GSoCers. Okay, some of the former GSoCers who have taken part, who have participated, who have mentored. Okay, so I have been contacting them, and I will be making interview videos. Okay, and for that I need your help. Obviously, if you have any question, please comment down below. And yesterday only I have posted a story asking for your questions, so you can go ahead and DM me there as well. Anyways, you can obviously post a comment, your questions in the comment section. But apart from that, there will be I have talked to a few. Okay, so there's one 20 GSoCer 20, and one has taken part twice, and one has mentored twice. One has been a student and a mentor. Okay, so amazing people, and hopefully we know them better. Okay, in the interview. Anyways, one thing I want I wanted to give you that I was going to analyze all the organizations that have taken part, and basically I would compare all the years, and let's say just 1 2 3 4 5, let's say just last 5 years, and analyze all the organizations that have taken part, and we can guess that if they have been taken part in the multiple years, they will be there in the 2021 as well. Okay, that's just a guess. Okay, so okay, you know what, let's create a program. Okay, let's create a bot. I obviously won't be going and copying every organization name. Let's simply create a bot and do that in this video only. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So I have one bot program. I guess I created one to scrape the hacker rank. Okay, I guess we can use that, but I'll fast forward it. Alright, so now we do have some working model for this. Okay, so let's see that in action. Okay, I'll just restart it and python GSoC. So what this will do, wait, not this GSoC links. Okay, so I have listed down all the years I wanna, take the organization, list the organizations of, and that will be passed to this. Okay, and at last we will get an CSV, okay, which will look like this. It will have name of organization and the years that they have either participated or not. Okay, so let's see that bot in action first. Okay, it will open up the browser. It will start opening all the years. Okay, like 2020. I don't know if you can see this URL, but it's 2019 now. And there's one little flaw that I noticed here, but I don't think that will be much of a concern. Okay, 2016, that's done. We can close this browser now. We can close this terminal as well, and we will get this exact, since I already had it, I will get this once again. Okay, so after we get this CSV, my bad, CSV, we can open this up. Let's open this in my Google Docs and use this one. So docs.google.com, and I will wait, sheets, I want sheets, not docs. Yeah, and I will open, I'll upload one, and I can actually drag my file because I don't open containing folder, and I should be able to drag and drop it here. Yeah, it's uploading and it should open up. Yeah, so we have this thing. Okay, so okay, one thing I want to add, I want to add the URL of all these, but okay, that would take some time, but I guess for now we have which organization took part in every year. But yeah, the one flaw that I noticed that 52° North GmbH has changed its name. Okay, so we have this one in 2020 and not in 2019, 2018. Okay, but if we scroll down and see here, okay, so it is, oh wait, okay, so it is that only, but its name was different, so it got confused, I guess. So it obviously in 2020 its name is changed, so that's why it's no. But in 2019 it's also taken part, 2018 it hasn't, but 2017 and 2016 it has taken part. So I guess we have to make some we have to read it, okay, carefully. But I guess for now we are good to go. We have approx wait okay, we have approx 468 organizations in last 5 years, okay. And yeah, that's huge, and I know we won't be able to do a lot, but for all organizations that have been taking part, we can now analyze easily that which all have taken part. But for now I'll give this sheet to you for free, okay. I'll share the link of it, and you can download it or use it or anything, any way you want, okay. If you want the program, you can comment down, okay, because I don't think I will be sharing that. But yeah, this was the video all about. We will be starting to analyze the organization very soon. And okay, so I have some personal commitment, so by the second week of December I won't be able to do that, okay. So after that you can expect that, but before that, in the next few weeks, the GSoCer interviews will be there, okay, on my YouTube channel. So make sure you hit subscribe and put your questions in the comment section, because I will be needing them, okay. So yeah, bye bye.